Wow, that was animated. Hi, I'm Courtney Coleman. I'm a nutritional therapist and a cook-well coach, and I'd love to come to your home and teach you how to cook with whole food or cook for you so that you have wonderful meals in your fridge and freezer to reheat after a busy day or take to work with you, or cater your small party or event, or coach you in nutritional therapy. I'm a nutritional therapist, and I've been teaching people to cook well for 12 years now on the Central Coast, and it has been a total joy in teaching people how to balance and even heal their own body with the whole food diet and lifestyle most balancing for their body type, according to ancient traditions I've studied in the realm of Ayurveda from the East Indian tradition and macrobiotics from the Asian tradition. Because everybody is so different and we all need different foods to maintain balance. It's so great making friends doing what I do, and I wear 4 main hats these days in teaching people to cook with whole food, either one-on-one in your home or with a group of friends in your home. So you can choose under services, you can choose from any of those classes I've outlined under the classes bar. Click on that and you'll see 12 or 13 different classes, and you can even tailor your own class custom to your interests and tastes. So whatever dishes sound best to you and whatever topics you're most interested in, we can customize classes, which is a lot of fun. And I love cooking for busy people. What I can do is do all the grocery shopping and arrive at their home and cook in their kitchen for 2 or 3 hours to fill their fridge and freezer full of great stuff that they can easily reheat when they get home from work, or take to work with them, or just have, farmers market fresh whole food ingredients that have been put together in tasty combinations according to their tastes and their nutritional needs and dietary limitations. So I customize it all, and it's, so many of us are so busy these days. It's not surprising that most of us don't have the time to shop farmers markets and cook well. And under the umbrella of personal chefing, I also cater on site, which is a lot of fun to cater parties and events. And I can do up to 70 or 80 people. And I like to, come probably 5 or 6 hours before the event and start putting, meatballs together or stuffed mushrooms and all these appetizers and hors d'oeuvres. And then with nutritional therapy coaching, I'm now a nutritional therapist. So from the Health Sciences Academy out of the UK, I have a degree in helping people identify nutrient deficiencies based on their symptoms. So I can then help you tailor meal plans and recipes based on which foods will alleviate your nutrient deficiencies. Foods with vitamin B12 and B6 and B3, and foods with more magnesium, and foods with more omega-3 fatty acids, and even culturing foods is really important. So I hope you have fun looking at my site, and I look forward to meeting you and working with you if you'd like.